All right, the topic of this lab is troubleshooting a power system. So our first step is to open the issue tracks from IT admin. So our machine is IT admin. We're working from the machine called IT admin, and we'll mouse to the Windows Start, click on it, mouse up to search, type ISS for issue tracks, and then click on the issue tracks icon to bring up issue tracks. And we'll maximize the window. So we need to find any tickets that are not closed yet. So we're on open. We can see one ticket that is not closed yet. Let's mouse up here and observe that we need to answer some questions. Let's click on the ticket to open the ticket, and let's click on answer questions to see. We'll need to know which priority was set for the ticket, high, medium, or low, and which computer is having the issue. Okay, so we'll close that for now. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. Wow. I'll minimize that for now. All right, so the priority we'll have to report is high, and the computer is in the support office. So we'll need to remember that when we answer the questions. The priority was high, and the computer was in the support office. It says when I came into the office today and tried to turn on a computer, nothing happened. I think someone from IT upgraded some components in my system over the weekend, so maybe what they did broke something. Okay, so we know from the ticket we need to go to the support office. So we'll mouse over to floor 1 overview. We'll go to look for support office, hardware. Let that load. And we can see right away there's a partial connection, right? And which one has the partial connection? This one also has a partial connection. So 9 times out of 10, that's the first thing to check. Is the power on? Is it plugged in? Did it get kicked out somehow? We can see that needs to be connected. And while we're here, let's zoom in on the power area. Okay, let's zoom in a bit more. All right, so we can see that in the United States we use 115 volts. In Europe they use 230. So let's click here to change back to 115 volts, which is what we use in the United States. And we can see also that the power button is turned off in the back. It helps me to think of this as like a 1 and a 0, where a 1 means power and a 0 means no power. So we'll just click the button to switch to power. So we've done 3 things. We've flipped the power switch, we've changed the voltage to 115 volts, and we have plugged the computer back in. So let's go to the front of the computer and hit the power button, see how that works. All right, that's a good sign. Looks like it is loading up. Yes, it powered up successfully. That looks like a good result. So let's go back to our machine, which is IT admin, which is here, because we want to resolve the issue. We'll scroll down. Let's make a comment. Let's say we plugged computer in. We reset voltage to 115 volts, and we turned computer power switch on. Okay, we'll hit the plus sign to commit our comment, and we can see now there's our comment, and we will switch the status to closed. So we've closed the ticket. Now let's click the left arrow. We're in open now, but that should change the status of this ticket to closed. So there are now no open tickets. Let's look for the ticket. Now we see this ticket in the closed, right? So if we look at that and we scroll down, we can see our notes about what we did. We plugged the computer in, we reset the voltage to 115 volts, and we turned the computer power switch on. And we remember we're going to need to answer these questions. So we remember that this is for the computer in the support office. And we'll scroll up and see that the priority was high. So let's click on answer questions, and we'll say the priority for this ticket was high, and this was for the support computer. Let's click Score Lab and see how we did. All right, great. Thank you very much for watching.